Hello, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Mutiara Safa, NIM 642411081. The topic I want to discuss is about the result of Indonesian versus Bahrain. The Indonesian versus Bahrain World Cup qualifying match caused controversy from the referee who led the match. What the referee did was not blow the whistle to signal the end of the match, even though extra time had ended in the 96 minutes, but the referee blew it in the 99 minutes. This controversy forced Indonesia to accept defeat in the 99 minutes with a 2-2 result against Bahrain. Why do I say defeat? Because we deserve 3 points in this match. For me, my family, my friends, and of course all Indonesians will be frustrated and angry to see a rigged match, and hope that the referee who presided over this match can be given the appropriate punishment. But we must move on and continue to support the Indonesian national team in the next match in the World Cup qualifiers. That's my opinion about the result Indonesian versus Bahrain. Next, we move on to the second material I choose. This is simple present. The simple present tense is the one several forms of present tense in English. It is used to describe habits, unchanging situation, general traits, and the fixed arrangement. The simple present tense is a simple to form, just as the base form of the verb I text, you text, we text, they text. The third person singular text and us. At the end, he texts, she texts. The simple present tense is used to express habits, general traits, repeat action, and changing situation, emotion, and wishes. I smoke. To habit. I work in London. To changing situation. London is a large city. To general truths. Affirmative, interrogative, negative. I think, do I think, I don't, nothing. You think, do you think, you do not think. He thinks, does he thinks, he does nothing. She thinks, does she thinks, she does nothing. It thinks, does it thinks, it does nothing. We think, do we think, we do nothing. They think, do they think, they do nothing. W questions or question words. There are two main types of questions, yes or no questions and WH questions. WH questions are questions starting with WH words including what, when, who, why, whom, whose, which, where, and how. Question words are used to ask about specific qualities, time, place, people, and so on. Below is a list of question words as example sentence words. What's usage asked to ask about things. Example, what are you doing? What do you think about the movie? Question words when used to ask about the time. Example, when will the meeting start? When are you leaving? What's who usage used to ask about people. Example, who do you love the most? I in your family. Who told you that story? Question words why usage used to ask about reason or cause. Example, why did it happen? I didn't understand. Why is he crying? Words whom usage used to ask about people or object of verb. Example, whom did you see in the morning? I saw Mr. Mark, my English teacher. Whom was Jim talking to? He was talking to Jack, his new roommate. Question words whose usage used to ask about possession. Example, whose pencil is this? Is it yours? Whose books are these? Words which usage used to ask about choice. Example, which one do you choose? The left or right? Of all drinks in the menu, which one would you like? Usage used to ask about place. Example, where's my bag? Where do you live? Question words how Usage used to ask about manner or process. Example, how can you explain this problem? Please tell us, how can you get there? Example of simple present tense sentence that use WH questions. What time is it? Where is your home? Why do you do that? When will you give my laptop back? Which one do you like? The pink one or the blue one? Who is your favorite actor? Whose bag is this? Whom do you trust the most? How long will you stay in Yogyakarta? Problems 2. Necessity usually for repair or improvement. C. Remember that the following verb phrase recurring and praying from the complement. As this paragraph needs in strip form revisings. As this paragraph needs to be participle revisit. Example, incorrect, his car needs to fix. Correct, his car needs fixing or his car needs to be fixed. Problems 3. Past custom. As our subject, he, used to, verb word, live in the country. As our subject, he, be was, used to, verb form, living in the country. Example, incorrect, she was used to drink too much. Correct, she used to drink too much or she was used to drink too much. This is the end of my presentation discussion about the simple present tense. Thank you to all of you listening to my presentation. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you.